Hi, my name is Miguel, and this is my 2011 E92 M3 Alpine White. This car is a real shredder. Do not let the ride height deceive you. I just got back from a 5,000 kilometer road trip to Tail the Dragon, and now it's covered in bug guts. I like driving this car because it's such a vibe. The S65 with the ITBs and a carbon plenum, it being as low as it is, and just kind of being a car from a different era really just makes it feel like something special. It's severely underpowered in comparison to other modern cars and my other turbocharged cars, but it doesn't need 500 horsepower to still put a smile on your face. The key word I would use to describe this car is otaku. It's a westernized Japanese word which describes people that have a deep obsession with a subculture, usually anime or manga, but it's through this obsession that you develop these irrational ideas to show your appreciation for something. So with this car, I obsess over everything on it being Japanese. And that's not just the wheels, but even the tires have to be the same brand. So Advan GTs with Yokohama tires or endless pads with endless fluid. It's this kind of mentality that has directly translated to the car having some really insane ideas that a lot of people kind of don't understand. And honestly, I guess at times I don't either, but that's kind of the beauty of the build, is digging deep and learning about different subcultures and cool ideas and trying something new. I usually take really good care of my cars, clean the engine bay with a toothbrush. So seeing the car in this state with all of these bug guts, road grime from the light rain, driving 5,000 kilometers in the Appalachian Mountains, I'm super excited to be here at Kotowari and having Alex to restore the car back to its pristine condition that it should be.
Numa ilha eu quero navegar, rumo certo pra nenhum lugar, nem carros, nem bandeira. No meu corpo nada além do sol. Tem um jeito muito sensual, sem roupa, sem medo. Deixar os pelos e os cabelos dourados pra melhor seduzir meu amor. E sobre a pele bronzeado moreno, pra guardar o feitiço do sol. Na água clara pra gente se banhar, e no corpo balançando o mar. Gente, o bicho não pode resistir, e a vida é tudo isso aí. Um beijo, fogo do sol, água do mar, musgo do ar. Água clara pra gente se banhar, e no corpo balançando o mar. Gente, o bicho não pode resistir, e a vida é tudo isso aí. Um beijo, um desejo, fogo do sol.